Having a 540 credit score can feel like you're hitting a roadblock, especially when you need a car loan. It's understandable to feel worried or even overwhelmed. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people face similar challenges. The good news is that getting a car loan with a 540 credit score is still possible. It just requires a bit more effort and understanding of your options. First, let's understand what your credit score represents. Lenders use credit scores to assess your creditworthiness, meaning your ability to repay a loan. A 540 score falls within the poor credit range, which typically ranges from 300 to 629. This score suggests to lenders that you may have had some financial difficulties in the past, such as missed payments or high credit card balances. While this score might make traditional lenders hesitant, it's important to remember that it doesn't define your financial future. By exploring alternative options and taking steps to improve your credit, you can still secure the car loan you need. In the following sections, we'll delve into the challenges and solutions associated with getting a car loan with a 540 credit score. Come with much higher interest rates, which can trap you in a cycle of debt. When traditional lenders aren't an option, exploring alternative financing can provide solutions. Subprime lenders specialize in providing loans to individuals with poor credit. While they offer a higher chance of approval, their interest rates are significantly higher than traditional lenders. It's crucial to carefully consider the terms and conditions before committing to a subprime loan. Another option is finding a cosigner with good credit. A cosigner agrees to take responsibility for the loan if you fail to make payments. This can significantly improve your chances of approval and potentially secure a lower interest rate. However, it's crucial to remember that cosigning is a serious financial commitment. If you miss payments, it will negatively impact your cosigner's credit score as well. Credit unions are another alternative to explore. These member-owned financial institutions often have more flexible lending criteria than traditional banks. They may be more willing to work with individuals with lower credit scores, especially if you have a good history with the credit union. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have gained popularity in recent years. These platforms connect borrowers directly with individual investors willing to fund loans. While credit score requirements may vary, peer-to-peer lending can be an option for those with less than perfect credit. However, it's essential to research different platforms and compare interest rates and terms before making a decision. a stepping stone to building a more secure financial path.